Hi everyone, this is Kesa. I'm talking about one thing, two things, three things. Yeah, I brought a one prepositions, three prepositions, and about a for spoken English. Like start. First is one between. Second is one among. Third is one amongst. What is different? We can use this and how to use. So many subscribers ask this question. That's why I brought these questions and I brought this lesson for you. And first of all, between two object, among two object, nope you. Two object, how many given? This is correct. Okay, and amongst how many not given? Okay, for example, about between Raj was between Ram and Syam. Sita kept the book between two books. And I was between my father and my sister. They were between Syam and Ram. So in kid while talking between and amongst. And talk about among. I was among people. I was among 5 people. He was among 10 people. They were among crowd. This is wrong. Crowd, not. I've told you how many given, not how many not given. How many given as talk as Sita among 10 people. Ram among Syam and Ram and Sita and Geeta. This is among sentence. Okay, we talk about. Let's move another. Amongst. Amongst means how many given not. Not how many given not is the only crowd. Okay, I watch in crowd. I watch amongst crowd. I watch amongst so many peoples. Sita is stuck in among people, amongst people. And it is the let's move. How to say like amongst people and among peoples, amongst these two, but given how many givens? And I know a second amongst no how many given no anything. And they were amongst crowd. I watch amongst in public. It's a super prepositions we can use in public. If we use in prepositions as well as no, and so many people use between, among, and amongst. If you have any queries about these questions, please comment section below. Let me know. Okay, start your practice. Make a man perfect. Practice by my videos. Daily practice. Keep practicing. Keep learning. Day by day. If you do this, if it keeps on, you can get lots of ideas from this video. If you want to lots of video, you want to conversate with me, please link in description box. I will contact you. Actually, you will contact me. Then it's good. Bye. It's a good. I will bring a new video next time. Bye.